friends, in this video we are going to discuss what is the difference between manual campaign and advantage plus campaign in Facebook ads. While we create a new ad campaign, as you can see, I have selected any of the objectives. For example, I have selected the traffic objective, right? And I will click on continue. Then Meta asks us whether to create an advantage plus campaign, that is of recommended settings, preset settings by Meta, right? And the another option is of manual campaign. So what is the difference in between them? Like if you select advantage plus campaign, right, or recommended setting option, then Meta will make preset settings for your ad campaign. Meta will decide audience by themselves, right? Advantage plus audience is going to be used in your ad campaign, means audience would be decided by Meta to whom and to whom not your ad should be shown, right? And advantage plus placements, it means Meta will decide on which placements your ad should be run and on which placement your ad should not run. So again, and more, right? So in more we can discuss. Meta will decide on which ad set Meta should spend how much budget, right? Budget settings would be also decided by Meta. Apart from it, the advantage plus creatives settings should be used in this. So Meta will decide how your ad creatives should be presented to users, like by adding music or increasing contrast or brightness. Meta can showcase your ad to users, right? Whereas if we design campaign manually, then all these settings are in our hand. We can control all these settings, whereas in advantage plus campaign, Meta will decide settings for your ad campaign. So we are indirectly giving our remote control to Meta to run our ad campaign. So this is basic difference between advantage plus campaign and manual campaign. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase it directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.